I'm on my way to meet my newest winners, Nick and Jenna, and they are a very young couple, and I'm very excited to hear their story. Hi, how are you, my newest winners?
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great.
Fantastic. Can't wait to hear about your win. Let's sit down. All right, so you're the gambler, huh?
Yes, I am.
How much did you win this time?
I won $1 million on the scratch ticket. She was sleeping on the couch, scratched the ticket, like $1 million. She's like, no way. Give it to her. She's like, you just won $1 million. I'm like, oh yeah.
That's amazing.
That's what I tell people. If you don't play, you can't win.
Right.
That's all I spent my money on. That was my hobby. I don't buy shoes. I don't buy nothing. Just was gambling, and then finally it paid off.
Do you buy food?
Yeah, we buy food. We do have to eat. We got to feed the kids.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
What was the first thing that went through your mind?
I couldn't believe it, like, all paid off. All the scratch tickets he bought, that he actually won something.
So what do you do for work?
So I'm a hairstylist.
Okay. Why are you calling me?
Calling you because, now we're looking to settle.
Find your perfect dream home.
Exactly.
And that's where I come in.
We're looking for something more kind of move-in ready, you know?
We definitely need, like, a big yard and space for the kids.
Great.
A nice kitchen.
Space is the biggest thing, I think, for us. Right now, we're renting a small little house.
How old are your kids?
5 and 1.
Well, now that you won the $1 million, it's like, okay. And I love that you're
Only giving you half of it, though. Only half.
You're giving me $500,000?
Yes, only half.
I can do that. That's
Yeah.
fantastic. So we're looking for at least 3 bedrooms, right?
At least, yeah. I like an office if we can get something like that. Somewhere off of 93, Wilmington, Tewksbury, basically in that area.
Nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to meet with a local real estate agent and find you your dream home so you can start creating those memories.
Awesome.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I am very ready. Nick and Jenna are an adorable young couple, 24 and 25. They have 2 kids, and this is a really big move for them, and I'm really excited to be a part of it. You know, I'm really excited to be here. It's one of the most expensive places in the country, and $500,000 would buy you a mansion in the Midwest, but it's gonna buy you a starter home here outside of Boston. So, although I know the area super well, I'm on my way to meet my real estate agent, Kathy, who really can give me the lowdown on what's happening. Our first dream home is Bridgewater Cottage in sought-after Tewksbury. Nick and Jenna have 2 adorable young children, and they want space. I'm showing them a property that's over 1/4 of an acre. Amazing. Look at you 2.
How you doing?
Cute. What do you think of this cutie?
It's cute.
Nice.
Quiet.
Super quiet, isn't it?
Like the side street, for sure.
And a much better place to raise a family. Yeah. Let me tell you a little bit about this gem. Bridgewater Cottage has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,306 square feet, sits on just a little over 1/4 of an acre, which is a crazy, and the price is right, at $425,000.
All right.
You guys ready to check it out?
Yeah,
All right,
definitely.
let's do this. Look, I have this tree flowered just for you, Jenna. Come on in, guys.
That's good.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
I like how open it is.
It's a huge space to put in under the couch, under the sofa, so all your kids could be here playing around. Let's check out the kitchen. But I know you're the kitchen girl. What do you think?
It's a decent size. I like how it flows out into the dining room.
Yeah, take this half wall and bring it a little down and build this as the island, and you're creating a flow into the dining space as well. That's not gonna cost a ton of money.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely room to work with, that's for sure.
Yeah. So we have a full-size bathroom here, which is perfect for guests.
Nice.
Let's check out the living area.
Nice and big.
It's huge, isn't
I
it?
love it, yeah. Lots of toy space. That's what we need.
Oh my
And
gosh.
crawl space.
This whole section right here could be set just for the kids. All right, what do you guys want to see? Upstairs or downstairs?
Upstairs.
Upstairs. all right.
Upstairs it is.
As you wish. And on this level, there are 2 perfect bedrooms for Ava and Sophia. Time for the master? All right, before we do that, I'll show you the bathroom. Here is a full-size bathroom.
Is this the master bath?
Yes, this would be your master bathroom that you would share with your kids. This is probably, to me, the most disappointing moment of the house, but it could be redone, and you guys would make
Definitely
it
has
look adorable.
potential.
But it does come with a really adorable master.
I I definitely like that wall.
It's cute. The wall is great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Are you currently in a king or a queen?
We got a queen right
I
now.
want a king, though.
Of course you do.
Yeah.
You just won $1 million for crying out loud.
Yeah.
We need to find you
Get a bigger bed.
get a bigger bed with a bigger bedroom.
Exactly.
Well, the basement is finished.
Yeah.
Check it out.
Yeah, definitely. Let's take a look.
Wow.
It's cute, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah,
This could be the toy room.
definitely. This is basically what we lived in with 3 small bedrooms off of it.
Ready to move, aren't you?
We're ready to get out of there for
Ready.
sure.
And I know you guys really wanted space. The outside is large in personality, that's for sure.
Oh, wow.
Isn't this crazy?
Wow.
I love the deck.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I like the deck.
The deck is
Perfect for grilling and
fantastic.
stuff.
Yeah, I mean, this is definitely a space that you guys
Yeah.
could really grow into. Huge backyard, isn't
Yeah,
it?
plenty of space here. My 5-year-old wants a swing set. I mean, it would fit perfect and still have plenty of room in the yard, you know what I mean? It wouldn't take up the whole space.
I love the fireplace over there.
The fireplace is so fun, right?
Yeah.
What can I do different for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
Maybe something with another bedroom.
Okay.
Or a little bigger kitchen.
A little bigger kitchen. I know when you walked into that kitchen that you're like, not my dream kitchen. I definitely want to show something a little more updated for you.
I think just a little bit more elbow room.
Cool, I have a great house for you guys. Super cute, a little bit more new. You win the lottery, you want what you want, and that's what I'm here to do. I'm here to deliver your dream home.
Definitely.
Yesterday's home wasn't completely renovated, although totally adorable. Had so much charm and character that you want in an older home. Today I'm showing them Blue Bungalow, and it has all of that charm of an older house, but everything's been updated. So I'm really excited to show them and see what they think. You are always cute. I don't know, you're looking pretty fashionable to me, my friend.
Got competition.
Why not? You're a millionaire now. You gotta look it, right?
Exactly.
She absolutely looks it. Now you gotta match. The
Exactly.
pressure is on. What do you think of the area?
I like it. Definitely a quiet street.
And what do you think of the house?
I like it.
Let me tell you a little bit about Blue Bungalow. It's got 4 bedrooms, got you that extra bedroom, 2 bathrooms, it's 1,500 square feet, it's on 3 glorious levels, it's on a 1/4 acre, just like yesterday, and the price goes for $449,900.
Okay. Still under budget. That's good.
Ready to get this started?
Definitely.
Let's do it. Do you like the red door?
Yeah.
Super cute, right?
Wow.
This is what I'm talking about.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
Brand new.
Yeah.
At least it's older, but it's all been refinished, and you can even smell it.
Flow is smoother. Definitely.
It is. It's a much smaller space, but it's nice and open. It still has plenty of room for Ava
Yeah.
to crawl around
Oh, yeah.
in. You guys are dying to see this, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let's go
definitely.
look. You love the island. It's
Yeah.
good, isn't it?
Yeah, I like it.
I love this, too.
You cook pasta, you said, right?
Yeah.
That's perfect for you, right?
Awesome. It's a nice stove.
The stove is really, really nice. They did a nice job with the appliances.
Yeah, I think this would be the kitchen table. I don't even think you would need one.
Awesome. Are you ready to continue?
Yeah, show us more.
All right, so we have a small little bathroom here.
Cute.
Good for guests.
It's nice.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
And then we have a small bedroom here, which is cute. So this is the smallest of our bedrooms. To me, this would be great for an office.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Definitely.
Yeah. So we have a second bedroom here. It's much bigger, super
wow.
cute.
I like the windows. Brings in all the natural light.
Could this be like a living room at all?
You could make this a second living room, absolutely.
Yeah.
Upstairs or downstairs?
Go whatever you want.
Downstairs.
Let's do downstairs. Why not?
I
So
love-
here we have a nice finished basement.
I love the floors.
You can make this the living room down here. Send the kids down here with all their toys.
It has multi-purpose, and behind that door over there, there's tons of storage space.
There's a lot of potential down here for sure.
Good. Shall we see if the upstairs has the potential as well?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's do it. So we have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. Let's start with the bathroom. It's cute, right?
It's a little small.
It's a little small. Again, this would be your master.
There's a shower in there.
There's a shower. What I would redo is I would take that out, put a tiled shower in there.
Yeah.
Come on into the master.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Good size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a closet, 2 closets?
2 closets. Do you like the master?
Yeah,
Would this
it's
work for
big.
you guys?
Definitely.
So we have one spot to look at, and that's the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do this. Come on out.
Oh, nice.
Isn't this crazy?
Yeah. Speaks for itself.
Great yard. The grass is starting to sprout. You said your
Swing
little one
set.
for a swing
Definitely.
set.
Need to
Good.
have room for that and for her to run around.
Fantastic. And potential for a pool. Plenty of room for that.
Definitely.
The size of the deck.
It's really nice, isn't it?
We have
Nice.
birthday parties at our house, so.
This
Yeah.
would be great to have
Yeah.
birthday
Exactly.
parties. What can I do for the house I'm going to show you tomorrow?
I mean, Tewksbury's great, but, you know, maybe, you know, Wilmington a little bit better. I'm stronger
We've gotten
about.
to like the schools.
Well,
Yeah.
you know why Wilmington's more fabulous? Because it's way more expensive.
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys think of the house?
I like it.
Cute.
Good.
Yeah.
All right, let me tell you a little bit about Old Colony Estate. It has 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. It's our largest home at 2,072 square feet. Sits on a little over 10,000 square foot lot, which is just under a quarter acre. And the prices are most expensive just because of the area at $475,000. Still under budget.
Yeah. Room to work.
Absolutely. Want to check it out?
Absolutely.
Let's do this. All right, come on in, guys.
All right.
Wow.
Entryway.
Glad you approve of the entryway.
Yeah.
And here is our family room.
I love
nice.
the gray.
It's good, right?
Yeah. Lots of gray up her alley.
Did this just for you. It's a nice sized living space. It's a really nice, comfortable couch, a nice large TV.
I like the floors. They look new.
Glad you like
Yeah.
it.
So far, so good.
Let's go check out the kitchen.
It's
Nice and
very
big.
spacious.
Good, right? I mean, it's huge.
Yeah.
And the double oven.
Double ovens are great. Huge island here, and then we have this amazing dining space over here, which you could turn into another living space if you didn't want a dining room.
Yeah. Extra space. I like it.
We love extra
Doing
space.
good here.
Good. Shall we continue to the bedrooms?
Let's do it.
So down this hallway, we have a full-size bathroom and 3 bedrooms. Let's start
Nice.
with the bathroom.
Oh, it's cute. Is it new?
Nothing in this house is new, but it's all been remodeled.
Yeah.
Yes. Plus, there are 2 adorable bedrooms, perfect for their 2 gorgeous children. Then we have a really nice sized master bedroom.
Wow.
Nice.
Good size.
Good, right?
Yeah. Space. That's what I told you in the beginning, and that's what you know. That's what we got here. That's for
Good
sure.
space.
It's nice.
And our first bedroom that connects to a bathroom.
Wow.
It is a shared bathroom. You could literally just wall that off if you wanted
Yeah.
and put another bathroom right next door to it. All right, so backyard or downstairs?
Yeah. Let's go downstairs.
do
See
it.
downstairs.
All right, so we have a full-size bathroom and laundry right here.
Okay.
This would be great for your office.
Yeah.
We have an extra room over here, which you could turn into your 4th bedroom.
Yeah.
Could be a toy room,
Oh, yeah.
whatever you want. Let's go into the living space. Love this living space because it's not just a living area, it has a full kitchen.
Yeah, this could be a rental.
Crazy,
Nice,
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. Very spacious.
It's got a lot of options, and there's still one more thing to check out. It's the backyard.
Go check it out. Big yard, man.
It's a huge
Yeah.
yard. Pool, swing set.
Not a lot of privacy, though.
You know what? There is not a lot of privacy, and you would have to get 5-foot fence up, so you're having some privacy.
Yeah.
I would grow really large shrubs,
Yeah.
find ones that grow tall.
Yeah, especially just being on the main road with the kids.
Yeah. Guys, want to see some more houses?
Nah, we got a lot to talk about,
Yeah.
me and her.
Why don't you guys discuss it, enjoy your moment, and just let me know.
Definitely.
So the first house we looked at, Bridgewater Cottage, a super cute house, tons of character, on a really quiet street.
Yeah, the
I like
backyard
the
is-
fire pit in the back.
That was really epic.
And the deck, it even had a deck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The backyard was great. It was
Yeah.
nice and big.
There's so much space back there.
Walking right into the dining room, kitchen area wasn't my favorite thing about the house.
Right.
It was a little tight upstairs, too.
It's a little tight.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
But I liked the wall.
the faux brick wall.
The kitchen, you know, with the island there,
Yeah.
simple to kind of fix that. Oh,
Yeah.
That's definitely a house that, you know, we really liked.
Yeah. So then I brought you over to a house that didn't need any projects.
Yeah.
Blue Bungalow.
I mean, we could move out of our house tomorrow and move in there.
Yeah.
That house is great.
Completely move-in ready. It's just a lot of fun. The backyard was really nice
It was
too.
big. Just space-wise, it just might be a little tight, you
Right.
know. But no, that house was great. We liked it.
Yeah.
It showed really beautiful. I know that was your favorite style of kitchen.
Yeah.
But the biggest kitchen that we looked at was Old Colony Estate.
Yeah.
That was our biggest house, and
Yeah.
that kitchen was amazing.
Yeah.
It's huge.
Just a little warm.
Little on the warm side,
Yeah.
but an easy fix.
That's definitely a number 1 priority if we pick that one.
Absolutely.
But, you know, with the kids, the space that the baby can crawl into and having their own bedrooms.
The main road, though, that's what
Yeah.
I was like.
It was on a main road.
All right, so big decision to make. What are you
Yeah.
guys thinking?
We ended up deciding to go with
Old Colony Estate.
Love that house for you guys. To me, that felt most like a family house.
Yeah.
totally.
I just love like how like open it is on the inside in the kitchen to the dining room.
Yeah.
plenty of space in this house, my friend.
I love the bathroom,
Yeah.
and I feel like we could do a lot to personalize it.
Maybe get a dog.
A dog.
Yeah, we got the yard for it now.
You do have a yard
Yeah.
for it.
Fenced
It's a
in.
great
It's
house.
awesome. It's pretty close to everything we asked you for. You know, a lot of space, big yard for the kids, and big kitchen.
And you're in your desired neighborhood.
Yeah, exactly.
Very excited.
Close to the highway.
Thank you so much. much for helping us.
My pleasure.
Seriously, I think the kids are gonna love the house.
They're gonna love it.
Yeah, I
They're
think
gonna
so.
have so much fun. Cheers. Congratulations,
Cheers.
you guys. Love this.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a good journey for you guys.
Absolutely. David found this house. It was still a little under budget. It was listed at $475. We ended up offering $465, and offer was accepted. There are a few little things that still need to be done in the house. If we close this off,
Yeah, we can make a bathroom right here.
that'll definitely add value to the home as well. Toy room downstairs has been great so far. We look forward to bringing the kids up.
It's just so much better than anything I could have ever asked for.
Think about David. I've been watching him for years, and he just seems like he's a really great guy.
He's awesome.
Yeah.